Hey fellow surfboard builders. So I wanted to take some time to do an update video. So I've recently posted a video on a 3D printed surfboard that I made, and I still haven't been able to take it out for a surf. So it's back there in my quiver, well, due to the whole, COVID-19 thing. So the longboard surfboard build right here is coming along nicely, as you can see. So now I'm into the sanding, so that's really dusty. I also posted a video of an electric kick scooter I built last year, and that was a really fun build. So when I initially created this YouTube channel many years ago, I had no idea what I was going to really do with it. And it slowly grew from just posting stuff that interests me, which I still do, but organically it kind of grew to become the go-to channel for building surfboards for some reason. So I want to take the time to thank you guys. It's because of you guys that my channel is where it is today. So that's really awesome. Back 15 plus years ago, YouTube was just starting off and there were no tutorial videos on how to make a surfboard. So I had to figure it out on my own by scouring the internet and forums such as like Swaylocks, which is a great place, great resource, and ordering how-to DVDs just to try to figure it out. Eventually I started posting some videos of me just working on a surfboard, just, filmed on my GoPro, and it kind of had no idea what I was doing in terms of editing, and I didn't even speak in those videos, because, I didn't think I'd ever post videos on the internet or broadcast myself. But I thought that it might help some people, and quickly it became apparent that from the views I was getting on some of those videos, not a lot of views comparatively speaking to like other people on the internet, but this is a pretty specific kind of endeavor building surfboards, that there was a demand for information for surfboard building. Like many other hobbies out there, like, I don't know, watchmaking or watch repair or clock making, I don't know. Just trying to think of some stuff that's a little bit more specific and esoteric as a comparison. When I started posting videos about surfboard building, it was to fill a gap for builders just starting off and had no idea what to do. I've had so many people reach out to me and say thank you from all corners of the globe, and how my videos have helped them along their way in their surfboard building journey. So that's really cool. People from all around the world are building, and that's what makes this platform so awesome, and that it can reach and connect people all around the world. Thanks to everyone who's left a comment on my videos and dropping me a note on Instagram conveying their appreciation. So that's awesome. So building on that, I thought it would be fun to have you guys send me some pics of your surfboard builds. I would love to see some of your boards that you have built, and what I'll do is post a follow-up video as a showcase showing off some of your surfboards, which I'm sure are more creative than mine. So how can you do this? Well, send it to the email attached to this channel in the About field, or tab, or whatever it is. And also you can hit me up on Instagram. And that's in my Instagram handle is in the description below. I'll ask that you put your name that you want associated with your pic, and also some specs of the board, like the type of board, the dimensions, or anything else that you think might be noteworthy, like the materials that it's made from, or maybe even where you source the materials. And lastly, put in where you're from around the world. That would be really cool. I'll leave it open for submissions for the next month or so, and I'll do a follow-up video if enough of you guys send in your pictures. So fingers crossed, hopefully you guys do. And also, I don't care if it's your first board or if it's your 10th board. I would love to see them all. Even if you think they didn't turn out all that well, and just send in the pics anyway. I would like to see surfboards in all various forms and configurations and in stages of completion as well. And also, I want to take a moment and talk about comments. I don't always read the comments in my videos because, well, you never know what people are gonna post, from criticizing what you're wearing to how they could do something better than you. But I want to thank people that actually took the time to leave a comment to say thanks, as I mentioned before. I really do appreciate it, and it means a lot that you guys took the time to watch my videos, and I was able to help you guys out. Since this is an update video, I should talk a bit about what's next for my channel, provided that the world doesn't, fall apart from the whole COVID-19. So what I plan on doing in the next little while is I want to spend some time posting on my other channel that's food related, Drew's Kitchen, because you know, it's fun making videos for that channel because they're a bit shorter, they're not as involved, and it's on topic that really interests me on food. So if that's something that interests you, go check out that channel as well. Videos that I post on this channel are longer form projects, such as, you know, like making a surfboard, because I posted back in November, I think, that I said I would start making videos on this. So yeah, I'm getting to it. And while, you know, projects like this that are really big, they're a lot of fun to make, they're very involved, they do take a while to film and edit, and also, in this case, build. But I should have the surfboard finished in the next month or so, and videos posted by the summer, hopefully. I already have some ideas for another board build. I've made a stand-up paddleboard before, various different shortboards, longboards, eggs, fun boards, a gun, all kinds of stuff like that. But I think now I want to give building a foil board a try. No promises, but that realistically will be in the next 12 months, as I need time to do my research, source the materials, and actually figure out how to, you know, design one and build it. Because I kind of got inspired, you know, watching Laird Hamilton ride one is, you know, pretty darn awesome, and it's pretty majestic and epic looking. So I want to give it a go. It looks really cool. And, you know, besides surfboard building videos, I do plan on posting other videos like product reviews and other DIY builds. So, you know, subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified when I do post, and, you know, give this video a like if you find it was kind of interesting. So I hope you guys are staying safe, and we'll get through this, and we'll all be back out surfing out on the lineup soon enough. Yeah, I think that'll be it for this update video. So send in your pictures. I really do look forward to seeing them. And, well, bye for now. I'm gonna go back to getting dusty and sanding.